Hey everyone, how's it going? So last time we added this delete button here so that all the posts ours will have a delete button that we can use. At the moment it just opens a dialog, but it doesn't do anything when we press the buttons. So we'll get to that now. And you'll also notice that I went ahead and added some extra accounts. So we're no longer just seeing my name everywhere, we're seeing a bunch of different ones now. Anyway. But what we'll do first though is make sure this delete button appears in the corner rather than over here next to the text. And it's real simple. What we're going to do is make this date label just extend all the way to the end. So if I right click and click inspect on the date element, you'll see we have this element right here with the class date. And all we're going to do there is go to our CSS file and let's scroll to the bottom and let's put what was the root. What was the parent element called? Let's say header and then date. So header and then dot date. And then we'll just say flex 1. Now that should be working, but maybe the header doesn't have a display flex because flex items don't work unless the parent has display flex set. So let me just make sure that I can see the thing I did, and I can, it's right there. So that just tells me that the header element, the parent, does not have display flex. In fact, it doesn't have anything, I don't think. So that's fine. A real simple fix is to go and add display flex there. So right at the bottom, just above where I added this last code, I'm going to say dot header, and then I'll say display flex. And you'll see it now pushes out all the way to the end. And actually, what I'm going to do here is add a class before this header class name right here, because header's quite generic, and there's a chance we'll use it later on in our code, so I don't want this style to be applied without us knowing. So I'm actually going to go and add another class here. If I go back to our code, we'll just see what the parent element of that is, and we can see post content container is the class name of the parent, so let's just add that as well. So in here, instead of just header, we'll say dot post content container, and I'll do the same here as well, may as well. Okay, and it should be exactly the same, which it is. You can see the delete button has gone all the way across to there. So what we've essentially just done is made the date label take up all of the remaining space it has. That's what flex 1 does. So you'll see that when we get to date, where is it? Here. You'll see this one just stretches all the way across and fills whatever remaining space it has. All the rest of them, this one, this label, and the delete button will just take up all the width they need. But the label will take everything else that's available to it.